We're making pumpkin pancakes, the perfect fall breakfast. So to get started, we'll get our dry ingredients going here. Grab a bowl, and I'm going to take 1.5 cups all-purpose flour. Just make sure you level off your cups. We'll add 2 teaspoons baking powder. This will be our leavening agent so we have fluffy pancakes. A teaspoon of baking soda. Half a teaspoon of salt. And for the spices here, I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of allspice, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground clove, and I'm going to take some nutmeg and freshly grate in about 1/8 of a teaspoon. We'll take a fork, blend together our dry ingredients, and we'll set that aside. So for these pumpkin pancakes, I'm using fresh pumpkin here. It's really easy to do. I have a video on how to do that. But if you have canned pumpkin, you could use that. But the fresh is much better. So I'm going to take half a cup here. Just level off the top of this fresh pumpkin. The best thing about this is I have so much extra pumpkin puree for other recipes as well. And this is only 2 sugar pumpkins here. 1 cup of whole milk. Crack in 2 whole eggs. I forgot to add the sugar to the dry ingredients, so there's 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'll add that right to the eggs here, no big deal. I have 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. And we'll just whisk that together. Grab the dry ingredients and working in thirds, just fold that into the wet ingredients until it resembles a pancake batter. You really get the aroma of these spices. I love these pumpkin pancakes. It's such a great fall breakfast. The spices really come through with these pumpkin pancakes. Well, this looks good. We're ready to go to the pan. Just grab a non-stick pan, tablespoon of butter. It's really straightforward here. I'm using a 2-ounce ladle. Just put in some batter. Obviously, you can make these whatever size you want. I like to go with the 2-ounce ladle. So just let these do its thing, about 2 to 3 minutes each side, until the bubbles start to come out the top of the pancake. At that point, you're ready to give these a quick flip. That looks good. Let this go another 2-3 minutes on the other side until they're cooked through. And I'm just going to cook the rest of these with the rest of the remaining batter. This is going to yield about 5 to 6 pancakes at this size. So we're ready to go here. Stack these up on a plate, put a knob of butter on there, and then just pour a bunch of fresh maple syrup right over the top. And I like to take some fresh cinnamon stick and grate that over the pancakes as well. That's my pumpkin pancakes. I'm just using the cinnamon sticks just to make it look pretty. You don't eat those. Give this recipe a try and be sure to check out my breakfast playlist for more great recipes.